welcome to Geordie Allotments. Dave here. Well, I haven't had a video out for a while because, as I say, with the winter and all that, we've never really getting much done down here. Plus with me, I'm working 6 days a week now, so I really find it hard to get down here. But decided to do one today to give you a short video, show you what we have doing and what we're planning on doing. So I'll switch the camera over and I'll come back on and I'll give you a little tour. Danno and Rob doing some work, knocking wood up. So it just shows you where we're working this allotment. Okay, I'll take you a little tour. What you'll have not seen. Right, there was different beds last year, so we're designing different beds this year. I got a couple of pallet colours. So there's a pallet colour there, and if you look on this side, these bags are full. Sorry about the sun. These bags are full of leaves. A couple of pallet colours here. That one's that one at the back has already got manure in and been topped up with compost, covered to protect it, ready to keep it warm. That one's just got the cardboard in for now. We've cleared that, so what we're doing is we're putting the black stuff down. So we're gonna have containers and all that along there with potatoes and with carrots and plants as well, flowering plants. We're going to turn this bed into the strawberry bed. This is going to be sort of the pallet colour that's going to be split into two with a path down there. As you can see here, we've got this all covered in the black. We're hoping to get it a little grow house, just a cheap one for now. We're going to dig it in over there so it'll hopefully not blow away, just so that we can start growing plants from seeds. If it lasts, it lasts. It's only £45 one from Wilkinson's, but if it can get with the grow seeds and get them in, it's done. Till eventually we're now moving on to this pot. This is eventually where I want to put a polytunnel or a greenhouse. Then here we'll probably do the same. If I can get more pallet colours, brilliant. If not, make our own beds along here. So we'll have more beds, and coming to the back here, that's the rubbish we're waiting to get taken away. But what I want to do, from Dean's plot down here, you see the gate, I want to put a fence down here. It's a small 3-foot fence. So our plot will finish here. We'll turn this into a sort of entrance area. All this muck will spread about, make a pathway, and maybe turn this into a wild garden. So, but as I say, when you look up there, you can see I've got the black stuff down ready for the path, so we can get some, what's it called again? Bark, yeah. So we can bark it all, make it a lot better. But as I say, these jobs take time, and it's nice to get back down here and do a video for you. And please subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment. And I'll try and get one done out in another couple of weeks. As I say, I am on holiday in March, so I'll be down here for a week in March. So I'll definitely be doing a video down here, and you'll probably see some changes then. But I'll see what I can do next week if we get down. As I say, a lot of it depends on the weather, and as I say, I work, my wife works, and I don't get much chance to get down. And Danno usually looks after the dog, and at the moment this is not safe to bring the dog down. Once we get it's safe, then you can bring the dog down with him and work down here. So catch us again soon.